Another aspect of DMIs that you need to look out for, that even if it goes below this line over here and other signals aren't as very strong, it still might be trending up. As you can see here, it did go down a little bit, and you can speculate here a little bit, sell it slightly higher, and then buy it again slightly lower and make extra profit. But you need to be very good at those type of times. And as you can see, it's still trending slowly, but it's going up. In my opinion, I probably wouldn't really play around with it up to this point, but this is very good signal. How you can see, Stochastics has a strong bullish signal, MACD has a strong bullish signal, and it's still trending up. So even for green line is below that, it still would be very good signal to invest. As you can see by stock, once again it went up, and just keep on the lookout for that. The green line past the black line is temporary bearish signal. It's eventually. Now I want to talk a little more about stochastic and MACD. In many cases, you know that whenever stock is overbought, it probably means that it's about to start going down. When it's oversold, it's probably going to start going up. But why does it happen that stock stays in overbought condition or oversold condition for such a long time? And this you can see usually by DMI. DMI will basically tell you when stock can stay up there for a decent amount of time. And usually, if it stays there, the only time it will start going down at this point is described before. Now I want to go over a few more things. You typically expect stock moves from oversold condition to overbought condition, and up and down like usual. But in this case, you can see it was overbought and then goes to oversold, but it never reaches it. And the reason that happens is because we have a strong positive trend. Even for this, actually fell below black line. Looking at the stocks, we can see that stock starts moving sideways for quite some time. In this case, you probably would sell it, just hold on to it, and wait until bullish signal would head back up. And this could be another time to buy. But at the same time, it's not even worth risking because biggest trend already passed. This might go up, but it might not be worth investing anymore, and you better find another stock to invest. Finally, if I am uncertain about stocks, like in most cases here, it just goes up and down too much, it's uncertain, and you can actually see it by stock as well, it doesn't really move anywhere. I would probably stay away from this type of stock and would not really invest. I usually just look at these two signals, and when DMI is probably has black line very low, and it's about to start trending. But otherwise, that's about it. But I will go over a few exceptions and fundamentals. Two things you need to know. Sometimes this type of trends might be caused by news, and you need to pay attention to that, because sometimes even your technical analysis will tell you stocks supposed to be going up, but news will basically come up and stocks will go down for quite some time. And fundamental analysis is usually overpowers technical, but they don't come out as often. So as long as you keep that in check, you can be trading this technical analysis pretty safely. Another thing that you need to know is the fact that big hedge funds can move market a lot, and even you will have good technical analysis, it will basically go opposite way where you would expect. It's usually, they do it mostly during midday, like during lunchtime, but there's not a lot of trading activity, but it could be done in other aspects. For example, like on closing day on Fridays, many day traders don't want to keep positions over weekend and could make big moves as well. So keep an eye on that, And always remember, the technical analysis is never perfect. The only thing it does, it basically improves your probability of properly investing. And that will be a closure of my presentation. Shortly, I'm planning to release a video that will describe in more detail fundamental analysis and how it could be used to support your technical analysis. Thank you very much.